Hi everyone. In this video I will explain about nature of solutions of the equation Ax is equal to b by rank method C1 p by q. The system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 6, 2x plus 5y plus az is equal to 36, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to b has option A, unique solution for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 16. Option B, unique solution for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 14. Option C, infinite number of solutions for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 14. Option D, infinite number of solutions for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 16. So this problem was given on January 23rd, 2026 in shift 2. See the procedure. Now I am writing augmented matrix. Augmented matrix AB is equal to. So before writing augmented matrix, you remember that the leading coefficient is preferably 1. Now see in the first equation, leading coefficient is 1. So in the first equation leading coefficient is 1. I am taking first equation itself. Coefficients are 1, 1, 1, 6. In the second equation see, coefficient of z is a unknown, so I am giving priority for the third equation. So coefficients in the third equation 1, 2, 3, b. Now I am taking coefficients in the second equation 2, 5, a, 36. So that is the augmented matrix. By using only elementary row operations, no column operations, this matrix must be converted into echelon form. By using this element, we have to convert this element to be 0. So operation will become R2 minus R1. See operation. Operation is on second row. Operation is R2 minus R1. By using this element to make this element to be 0. By using this element, we have to make this element to be 0. So operation becomes R3 minus 2R1. So operation is on the third row. Operation is R3 minus 2R1. By applying these operations, the above matrix is equivalent to no operation on the first row. First row is written same 1, 1, 1, 6. On the second row, operation is R2 minus R1. So elements will become 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, next factor is b minus 6. Now see elements in the third row. Operation is R3 minus 2R1. So R3 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 5 minus 2 becomes 3, a minus 2, last factor 36 minus 12, that becomes 24. Now by using this element, we have to make this element to be 0. Operation will become R3 minus 3 into R2. So operation is on the third row and operation is R3 minus 3 into R2. So applying that operation, this matrix is equivalent to no operation on the first row. First row is written same 1 1 1 6. No operation on the second row. Second row also written same 0 1 2 b minus 6. Operation is there on the third row. So 0 minus 0 becomes 0, 3 minus 3 becomes 0, a minus 2 minus 6. So this will become a minus 8. Last factor, this is 24 minus 3b plus 18. So 24 plus 18, 42. 42 minus 3b. So taking minus 3 common, minus 3 into b minus 14 I can say. Now the above matrix is converted into echelon form. Now I am dividing this matrix into two parts. Say this part is represented with the first matrix 1 and total matrix is represented with 2. This first matrix is equivalent to A, the total matrix is equivalent to AB. Now see the procedure to find the nature of the solutions for the above system of equations. Now consider case 1. Case 1, unique solution. Case 1, unique solution. What is the condition for unique solution? So this element a minus 8 not equal to 0. So a minus 8 not equal to 0. This element is not equal to 0. What is the reason? When this element is not equal to 0, in the first matrix and in the second matrix, the number of non-zero rows is 3. First row non-zero row, second one also non-zero row, third one also non-zero row. Therefore rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 3 number of variables. Therefore I can say the above system is having unique solution. Now let us go to the second case. Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Then what is the condition for infinite number of solutions? This element a minus 8 must be 0 and also the element b minus 14 must be 0. These two elements must be zeros. I can say a minus 8 is equal to 0 and b minus 14 is equal to 0. See what is the reason? When this element is 0, this element also 0. All elements in the third row are zeros. Therefore, in the first matrix and in the second matrix, the number of non-zero rows is 2. First row non-zero row, second row non-zero row. Therefore, I can say rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 2, 2 less than 3 number of variables. So in that case, the above system is having infinite number of solutions. Now see case 3. Case 3, no solution. So what is the condition for above system has no solution? The condition for above system has no solution. This element must be 0 and this element is not equal to 0. So I can say a minus 8 is equal to 0 and I can say b minus 14 not equal to 0. What is the reason? So if this element becomes 0 in the first matrix, the number of non-zero rows is 2. First row non-zero row, second row non-zero row. When this element is not equal to 0, in the second matrix, the number of non-zero rows is 3. First row non-zero row, second row non-zero row, third row also non-zero row. So rank of A becomes 2, rank of AB becomes 3. Therefore, rank of A not equal to rank of AB. The system has no solution. So this is the condition for no solution. So that is the way of deciding nature of the solutions of above system of equations. Now let us verify which option is the correct option. So in the option A statement is unique solution for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 16. For a unique solution, I told that A minus 8 not equal to 0. That means A not equal to 8. So unique solution don't depend on the value of B. Purely it depends only on the value of A. A not equal to 8. The above system is having unique solution. It don't depend on B. But here he had given A is equal to 8. Therefore I can say this option is not correct option. Now see the statement in B option. Unique solution for A is equal to 8. Again he had given A is equal to 8. Therefore I can say this option also not correct option. See the statement in the third option. Infinite number of solutions for A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 14. So A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 14, the above system is having infinite number of solutions. Therefore, I can say C option is the correct option. So that's all. So with the help of that procedure, we can decide the nature of the solutions of the above system of equations. Here I am giving 2 PYQs for your practice. Practice yourself. In the next video, I will explain one more model. For more videos, subscribe.